This 2021 Keystone Springdale 1860 SS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 22 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep's 6 LP detector, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, water heater, external shower, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, microwave, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Couples Coach. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Springdale 1860 SS is 4,350 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.